Hello guys, today I want to discover some secret for you. I'm in Shenzhen Huaqiangbei, the world of the electronics products here. You can see so many people are gathering here. The people from all over the world, no matter where you are, you come to visit Shenzhen and you must buy some electronics product here. So here have the very famous thing is second-hand mobile phone. Today I want to show you how the businessmen, how they get the second-hand mobile phone and how they sell the second-hand mobile phone to our consumer. So you must follow me. I will discover the secret and you can buy the second-hand, especially for the iPhone smartly. If you want to know the secret, you must know this building. In Google Map, you can search Feiyang Feiyang Building. It's this location. The people who have the used iPhone want to sell, and they come to here and give the buyer. The buyer is the middleman, so they want to make this used mobile phone, iPhone, then repair it and make it look nice and make a nice packing again, then tell you the secret. So I just come out from the Feiyang Building, and I also guide two African young lady to go there to looking for the second-hand mobile phone. So that market, the main function is they are connecting the used second-hand mobile phone, and after that they will make it nicely, decorate, repair or repacking. Then the brand new, looks like brand new. My mobile phone will come to here and there and over there. Now I show you here. So you can find here. 那么良啊，你看这个可以用了，很好哦。
很好是吧？
是啊，全都是原装了，是吗？
是的，是的，你放心，肯定是
是啊
原装的，好用的，放心。
有没有那个 OPPO
啊
1+15啊
？1+15 ，OPPO 1+15啊？
嗯，1+15。
很老了哦，1+15 ，OPPO 1+15。
他们说用来打游戏的哦。
没有哎，没有现货，你问我老公吧，让他帮你找。
是吗？
嗯。
好，我问他哈，我有他微信哈，好，谢谢你。嗯。You can buy a second-hand mobile phone here. Most people will buy it here, but not in Feiyang Building. Feiyang Building, you can see is so nice. Here the condition is so nice, so good. More convenient for the customer. So this is one of the place. Nice place you can choose to come here, Huaqiang Electronics World. So I will show you another place. Here is Manha数码广场, Manha Digital Plaza. Manha Digital Plaza. You also can buy second-hand mobile phone here, but they almost come from the Feiyang Building. Here is the most useful information for you who want to buy the second-hand mobile phone. Here say China second-hand electronics products exchange center here. It's a huge building here. You go to the third floor, you can find there's one shopping mall especially for the iPhone. You can come in this supermarket, you can use the mobile phone you can touch, you can feel, you can sound, you can try to use all the function. So they also mention the price and the condition of this mobile phone. It's also including the life of the battery, how many percent. So okay, today I have shown you so many important information toward how to buy a used mobile phone. The third place is the most useful for you. So have a nice day. This is Jack Chen in Shenzhen Huaqiangbei.